Hello guys, in these videos I'm going to share with you how to simply use Claude Design, the new feature that they let out that helps marketers and business owners really use a hub of all their marketing collateral, which means all the images of the brand, the breadcrumbs, graphics, and so on and so on. So let me show you how it's done. First, you need to go to Anthropic.com and press design, and it's going to take you to a place such as this. You have to go down all the way and press start designing at Claude AI/design. We're going to press on that. This is the main menu of Claude Design. So let's check out the left side. And this is exactly where we begin. We can start by naming the project name. I'm going to call it landing page design. Take the high fidelity option and I'm going to press create. But before that, remember, instead of building a prototype for your website, you can also edit the slide back. You can also upload a template and so on and so on. And let's press create. Now we're going to see what Claude is going to ask us. So first, Claude is going to ask with some context, okay? And we're going to build a landing page. We're going to build the website. We need to implement brand elements inside. So first, we need to feed Claude the context. If you have a brand book, that's amazing. You can directly set all the things that you have in your brand book and then use Claude to simply use it and make all the collateral or in all the web page, all the landing pages look according to the brand book and whatever just we based everything upon. So here we can simply tackle in the content. So we can add a design system, a screenshot, a code base, a Figma file. There are many, many options. I'm just simply going to drop here an HTML of my website. So I'm just going to paste here what I need. So I'll open my brand book here and press it here. And I'm going to prompt it. I have uploaded the Markitecht brand book. I want to create a landing page allowing people to contact us, make their info. So now that I have given Claude brand book, which I will show you exactly what it is. Brand book usually consists of the titles, the hero section, the logo, breadcrumbs, all the small things that every brand book should have. And this is my company's language style. And it has to learn this and start creating more content pieces that is based on this. Okay, so let's go back and see what Claude Code is giving us. It has some question for us. Okay. So I have already built something before and using the same brand book, but just for the sake of it, I want to show you what it can do to build it from scratch. Now it's giving me quick questions about the contact landing page, and this is questions I gotta answer for it to properly write it. So what is this landing page primary job? We need to capture a contact. Which field should the form capture? Let's say name, email, and title. What alternative contact channels should appear alongside this form? Really thinking ahead. So let's just add a WhatsApp button. Which trust elements should be visible on the page? Let's keep it clean for now. Which headline angle should the page lead with? Let's go for the first. It's good saying that Claude asks you to input your answers to its question, because this way Claude already knows the things that need to be addressed. And it's just simply going to ask you and would like to get your input so it can address those things. How many variations do you want? I want 2 variations. If there are two variations, what should they explore? Let's say different headline angles. And how heavy should the blueprint schematic visuals be? Let's give it to be heavy. I want to see what it can do. And which interactive behaviors should the form have? Okay, I don't know. Let's go with the first. And any tricks you would like to be exposed? Say headline copy. Anything else? No. Press enter and I press here continue. Now Claude is going to go into action. And as you can see here on the left, it's thinking. And also, the user's mental model is the only spec that matters. However, Claude is building now. And I'm going to wait it out and see what happens. So it finished the job. And as you can see, it gave us 2 options. Now we can zoom in and look at everyone. I have to say that it looks exactly like the brand book I gave it and all the contacts. It looks really, really good. Let's see what other stuff I can do with it. Okay, we can also do a markup. Click and tell Claude what to change, drag and drop. So I can just like do crazy things in here. Note for your drawing, for me to change things. Also, we can do an edit directly. Imagine it would build something for you and then automatically puts it for your Canva, so you can edit it manually. But no, now and on, you can do everything through Claude's terminal. Now, as someone that works a lot with Canva, this is a game changer for me. It means that I can continue working on my marketing. I can continue produce high level quality of marketing designs without leaving Claude. And I can choose absolutely edit everything in here. I can change the padding, opacity, margin, everything, and then I can save it and make Claude use it for next iteration regarding to my websites or landing pages that are built based on my brand voice. Now, if you don't have a brand voice yet or a brand book, you can still use Claude Design to create it. You can iterate here a few more times and just create brand colors and the brand language that you want. And this is absolutely crazy. Let's see what Show Tweaks does. Crazy. Simply crazy. We can write comments here. We can hide tricks that it did. And eventually we can share it as a project, as a PDF, as a PPTX or a zip, use it to other Claude machines, also send it to Canva, like what I just said, and continue working there. And just hand it off to Claude Code because I'm working with Claude Code myself. I want it eventually to go into my Claude Code and do all the editing and do some more editing and just implement it in the Claude Code as a part of my website. So this tool is so powerful. It needs a little bit time, just a little bit time for the learning curve. But guys, this thing is a game changer for small businesses and people who don't come with brand books and they don't have a designer that will do things to them. All you need is to come with a sample, an idea, a link, a picture of something that you might like, and you just give it to Claude, and Claude is going to start building it, tweaking it, going some back and forth with you guys until you will have high level designs that you like. And you can take those designs and then we can test them. We can test those landing pages. We can then check conversion rates. And with that, we can also ask Claude to give us insights about our build and design and how it can improve our marketing, or sometimes it can be worse, but at least we know what's happening and we have the data, and then we can change things. Hope you guys had a good time. This is Claude Design. This was a really quick tutorial, but the most magnificent thing that I want for you guys is to open it and use it even today and try adding everything you have. Even if your brand book is broken and it comes in pieces and you're not sure, this is the place for you guys to upload everything, fix it, tweak it, mix it, and then come out with something that you can actually use and something that you're going to like, because this is where the magic happens today. I'm sorry, like I've been working with Claude Code for so long, and the more time goes by, the more it gets to be connected to other apps via MCPs, connectors, plugins, and the workstation and the framework is still in Claude Code. And the beauty of it is that we don't have to go anymore other apps, like write something in Word, take it to Canva, design it in Canva, then take it from Canva, put it in the website, edit it again. No, all we have to do is use one tool, which is Claude, and connect all our marketing apps to it. And everything is going to happen through there. And it's amazing. Basically, what I'm saying is, if my Claude is connected to my Netlify, where my website is being hosted, and I just made this cool iteration with Claude Design, I can tell Claude, listen, buddy, I like what you did. Boom, upload it to the website and as a base, and he's simply going to do that. He's simply going to do that, and it's going to take 5 minutes, which won't require me to go to my website and redo the code and do a drag and drop. No, these days are over. We're in the new age. And I want you to get started to working with Claude, connected to all the connectors that you work with. So your job is going to be flawless and fast and efficient. This is what AI is going to help you do. It's really so simple to use, guys. So let's just go to Claude AI Design and start playing with it. Add some collateral from your business, from your landing page, from your website, maybe even something that you like and you want it to be referenced in your website. Upload it all give it the right instructions, and just let the magic happen. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe. I'm really enjoying making those videos for you about marketing. And thank you so much for your confidence in me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Just do yourselves a favor and just go try out this tool. It's so cool. Peace out, guys.